buddy. He's so cute. Speak. You gonna speak? Speak. Oh no.
What?
What are those? Oh my god. Looking for this? Did you make sure there's no bugs in it? No.
So the whole point of us going to get the grill was so we could get the bow tie off of the grill, because we're gonna wrap the bow tie tonight with the vinyl that hasn't gone on the truck yet. But we're kind of, the wrap's not going on yet, but we're having some fun and we're gonna try and wrap the bow tie tonight. So, isn't that right? Right. So we got our strip cut. Gonna be wrapping the bow tie today, or attempting to wrap it. Just kind of practice a little bit.
Trial and error.
I'm pretty excited. Color looks really good. Got a whole bunch of different.
Those slides, right?
Got a whole bunch of different kind of colors in it. Cool. Cool. Just say
You have a bad attitude.
she picked the most difficult color to wrap in the entire world. Let's just say that.
It's because that's texture.
Anything chrome is a pain in the ass. That's what I'm gonna say. It'll get done, but pain in the ass. Almost probably an hour and a half. I don't know, a lot longer than my patience really allows for. But we have a semi finished product. It was pretty decent, and then I kind of fucked it up. So we got the wrap completely over the bow tie, went to cut out the middle section to leave the chrome on the outside, and I definitely cut way too much off. So this is our final product. You can't tell, honestly, on camera you can't really tell, but it turned out better than I thought it would, but I definitely cut way too much off of it. So yeah, I kind of screwed that up. But hey, at least I guess we tried.
That's how terrible of a cutter he is.
That's bad. That's bad.
You did not pass kindergarten.
That's bad.
Arts and crafts is not your thing.
I'm going to McDonald's. Y'all have cookout where y'all are from? I don't know if y'all do or not, but we got cookouts here in Atlanta, and this is one of the only drive-thrus I can fit through because there's no curbs, there's no anything. You literally, you drive around over there and you come around and that's it. There's no curbs or anything, and then you pull out over there. They got some pretty good milkshakes from what I'm told. I've been here a couple times, but I used to come here in Valdosta back in the day. When we were in the truck club in Valdosta. Damn, I miss those boys. Huge shout out to those guys down in Valdosta. They're fucking killing it right now. Absolutely fucking killing it. But we're gonna knock out some cookout tonight, and then I'm gonna go home and show you guys. That looks good on camera.
With the peppercorns in there, it's really gonna give you some good flavor.
Oh man, I think this is gonna be better than the last one.
Doesn't get any better than that.
It really does not. That looks
They're good. They're done.
freaking amazing. Woo! Take this little chunk off the end. Knife cut right through it.
I'd call that a solid medium. They say that's the friendliest temperature range, you know, it's solid medium.
That's better than the other
Got a
time.
little bit of smoke on it too. Oh, yeah.
That fucking good. Absolutely amazing. Hell yeah.
Good thing. So how long did it take out?
Hell yeah. I mean, it took us, the coals were a little wet, so it took us like probably about an hour to get the coals good and ready. But
How long did it take
to cook, 10 minutes maybe,
That's it.
if that.
10 minutes to perfect.
10 minutes to prepare and cook. From seasoning to end product, 10 minutes. We get this bread.
What can you do with it?
Actually, we get the steak today. Here, come here. So probably like 2 or 3 days ago, Jake put this on Bean's tires. It says
9 ounces, huh?
9 ounces of weight, and it says "Gotcha, bitch."
Tires separated.
I knew it wasn't separated, they're brand new.
The whole reason being, Bean's been back and forth about lifting his truck back up because it's been lowered, and this is the whole reason Bean decided to bring it in today, is because the left front tire was shaking. So. Got that, boy? Yeah. No more lowered Bean. Great way to end the video off. So we completely failed to wrap the bow tie a couple nights ago, but Christina was hanging out with the person all day today that's gonna wrap the truck. Now they had a different plan that I'll explain a little bit more tomorrow, but they ended up wrapping this, which I'll explain that tomorrow. The main part is they actually did get the mirrors done. Mirrors look great. I think blends in a lot better. I didn't even notice when she pulled up. That's how good it looks. So now you got the mirrors done, and you got the chrome trim, or wow, I can't talk today. The chrome trim around the windows done as well. So great way to end off the video. We actually got something done right, and like I said, I'll explain all of this tomorrow. You guys will see some clips of this getting done, but hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Whole lot of great stuff going on this weekend, so I hope you guys stay tuned. On the road to 100 days, on the road to 10K. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. I will see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.